Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to follow user on Medium. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. Very simple, open our Medium app. So here this is your home page. So when you go to the search icon, tap on it. You're going to search particular user. For now, let's say I want to search the user that is related to topics life. So here I want to select fatherhood. So here you can see many posts related to fatherhood. You can follow this user that will give you knowledge about fatherhood. Now go back. Now another way is, this is the list of articles. If you want to follow any of the user, then you can simply tap on the topic and the username. Here simply tap on topic firstly, and here if you follow this you will get all the information related to fitness and health. Now go back and here tap on the user name. So this Chris Davison, if you can follow, simply tap on follow button. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.